Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Creative Brain Studio. This is Isaac, and in today's video we are going to look at this beautiful game which will help us master the pen tool. The pen tool is one of the most amazing tools in Photoshop which helps us in creating so many other shapes. It is very useful in creating logos because you want to create round shapes and shapes that are irregular, and the pen tool is very useful when it comes to these kind of designs. And so in today's video we will learn how to learn this tool. This is one of the most useful tools in Photoshop, yet many designers find it very complex and very difficult to use. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So here we have this Bezier game, and this game helps us to master the pen tool. And so if you are following, I would like you to log on to bezier.method.ac. I'll leave the link in the video description so that you can follow as well. So here we can go with the flow of the game and see how good we can master this wonderful tool. And one amazing thing about this thing is that it tells you the number of notes you are left remaining, and boom, I'm done with it. This time it's getting more complex. I have to draw this pentagon shape, and it's telling me I need to hold the shift key. Okay, so press, and then it tells me I have 4 more notes. I hold the shift key so that I get this straight line. Okay, 2 more notes, 1 more note, and boom, I'm done. So you see how wonderful this thing is. I will also try to draw this circle. I have 3 more notes, and it's telling me I need to okay, great. And I think I'm doing something wrong at this point, so I can just press Ctrl Z to go back. Okay, good. So I just go with the okay. So the moment I get it wrong, it just goes back, and then it asks me to restart. Okay, I think now I got it right. Great. And then so that is it.